Let's start this one with this presets. I will choose new preset and choose this one and hit the play button to see what is inside this presets. Let's say I will start editing this letter here. I will delete this W and apply. Let's say I will type and complete sentence effect and hitting OK. After that I will move it and increase the depth little bit, move it down there, up there. I will scale it down, move it away. And this one here I will delete this letter and I will type and let's say tutorial 9 and let's hit OK. After that you can move it away, also away from this one. I will choose this letter here and delete this and type in my lesson 9, then apply OK. I will then move it down, increase the depth little, and then I will select this one and choose different fonts. You can scroll down to find any different font you want. I will scroll down to change this font to this one. Let's say I will change this font. Let's go down here. I will change the position, move it, and this one I will select and change this font, this one here. I will choose this and select this text and choose different font, scrolling down to this one here. After choosing this font, I will delete this one. Let's say I will work with this and this and this. I will choose color panel, choose different color. This color affects the text outline. This one affects the text itself. I will choose this color, this one here. I will change to this one. Then heading to the color menu, I will head to bevel menu to change the bevel shape. If you have a shape and text inside, just change the bevel under the shape menu, and if you change the text, just apply changes under text menu. You have two panels, shape and text. Just apply modification. Then I will go to the design and apply modification to the position according to linear movement. Let's say I will change the position according X and Y and Z. Let's say position Y will increase the height, decrease the height. Then I will change the position Z. It's the depth, increase and decrease the depth. And let's say I will rotate it. I will rotate according to position X. This applied to the axis X. And if I will rotate according to axis Y, this sort of rotation will happen. And let's increase the rotation little. And if I want a linear rotation, I will copy this rotation and paste it at any panels. Let's say I will press and delete and press paste. It's paste a value. You can change the value, copy value and paste the value. Let's say I will change the scale at this position. Let's say I will change also the scale of position Z. Let's say I will move it down here or up here. This affects the size. These shortcuts panels make the same linear movement, but these panels allow different movement to be valuable. You add value for the movement. Let's say I will draw a different shape. You choose these shapes. Let's say add in a sphere. You can add a sphere and drag and draw it. If you want to draw a sphere, if you want to use this shape, just press and drag it. Let's go to the design menu. Design menu allow apply different modification like reflection you've added before, fade and distance. If you want to add different distance for the reflection, just select the text, just mark the reflection menu. And I will move this down here. Let's say I will add reflection and add fade. Fading decrease the fade of the selected shape. If I choose this text and let's say I will increase the fade, it increase the opacity. If you want to change the opacity of the reflection, let's say I will increase the opacity. Let's say like this. I'll move this shape away or delete it. Let's say I will change the shape. Let's say I will apply effect to the text like deformation. It's like banner effect. Let's say I want to sector effect. It's like deformation you've added to the text. Also, you can add deformation to the shapes. Just choose the form of the shape you want. Shape, sector, outer curve, arch, banner, wave, fish. Just scroll down under this panel, you apply different deformation. Then choose this intensity. Let's say I will increase intensity like 96 or decrease it to 70. Apply different deformation according to linear number. Let's say I will move this one, but I can't control the size. Then head to the panel menu for the linear movement. Let's say I can use the screen. Just grab it and move it. Let's say I will decrease the intensity a little bit. Let's say I want to different deformation like this one here and decrease the intensity a little or increase it like this. I will increase the intensity to 100. Let's say I want different effect and different axis. You can change the axis, the deformation will be applied. Let's say I will apply deformation according to X and Z, apply intensity to 3. If effect will not appear, just change different deformation, just change the axis. Make sure to save your progress by pressing Ctrl S, and if a mistake happened by accident, press Ctrl Z to move step back. With your observation you don't have to use all the tools.